Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notifications of when new videos are posted. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Spigen Glas.tR Easy Fit screen protector for the iPhone 11, iPhone and iPhone 10. It's 2 packs, so you get 2 in the pack. We turn the packaging around, it shows you what you get inside the box. It's got a list. It also shows that it's easy install, it's got overphobic coating, it's real glass, and it's got 9H, which refers to the hardness. Inside the package, you of course get a little leaflet with the instructions of what to do in order to install this, cleaning and applying the screen protector, and a warning about making sure it's all clean and washing your hands before applying it. So a little instruction leaflet to follow. You get the cradle with the screen protector actually in there. You can see the instructions very clearly written out on the actual cradle, telling you how to apply this. So you got step 1, step 2, step 3. Really easy to install this, and you can't go wrong. Also, you get this packet which includes various things, and you get another leaflet, if I can get it out of the box there. You get another leaflet basically telling you how to apply the screen protector as well. I think it was the same as the first leaflet, so 2 of the same leaflets. Okay, so in the package what you get is you get a little rubber squeegee. This is to take the air bubbles out if there's any at the end of the process, and it's really made of rubber, nice, flexible, soft. So this isn't going to scratch your screen protector like those plastic cards you normally get with these screen protectors. It's got a nice soft rubber screen protector. You get some sticky tape to remove dust, including, which is very nice indeed. You get a microfiber cleaning cloth to clean your screen, and you get 2 wipes as well, wet wipes to clean the screen of any grease and grime. So step 1 is, as you can see, loads of fingerprints there. You want to clean all of the screen with the wet wipes. You've got 2 of these, you only really need 1. Just make sure you're really thorough, go from the edges into the center of the screen, changing the wet wipe around, and of course doing all that screen nice and clean with the wet wipe, and that is very important, so make sure you clean it very thoroughly indeed. Once you've done that, you want to get the dust removing tape, and you just want to work your way around the whole phone, making sure you peel any dust that may fall on after you cleaned or during while you cleaned, and this will remove any lint, which of course creates air bubbles. This is a really important step as well. Any lint on the screen is going to create air bubbles. That's something we don't want, so make sure you're very thorough and get rid of all the lint on the screen. Once you've done that, it's pretty simple. Step 1, you just want to remove the film that's protecting the screen protector adhesive, and you want to pop the cradle over your phone. Pretty straightforward. So you want to get your phone, make sure it's not going to move, and just drop the cradle on the phone. So it's designed to fit the phone, so as soon as it goes in, you know you've got the perfect alignment, so no need to worry about aligning it. And in the center here it says push up and down on the center part, and as you can see the air dissipating out of the screen protector. I don't know if you can see that on camera, and you need to do this for 30 seconds, so just pushing up and down, and this is going to adhere the screen protector to the screen and forcing some of the bubbles, air out of the screen protector to the edges. You can see you can press down on the edges if you want to, like I did, but ultimately it's just in the middle and the sides. That's all you really need to do. So once you've done that, you can then move on to the next process, which is of course removing the cradle from the screen protector, and that's pretty easily done. So all you have to do is remove the sticky tape at the bottom there. It says pull to take up. That's step 3 of course of this whole procedure. So you just want to peel this off while holding the cradle down, and it is on there quite strongly, so make sure you're holding that cradle down and pulling gently with that sticky tape, and that effectively is it pretty much done. There's one more step left really, remove the cradle. You can see you've got the film that's on top of the phone there with the adhesive. Not to worry, we're going to peel that off, and as you peel it off you can see you get a nice aligned screen protector. Now there's a few air bubbles, you can expect that to happen, and what we're going to do with this rubber squeegee, we're just going to force the air bubbles out to the edges, working your way around the phone from edge to edge, center to the edge, and just being thorough with that. If you see any air bubbles, you might have installation where there's no air bubbles, but there will be some, and quite frankly, and all you've got to do, just work those air bubbles out. Just be gentle, going from the center to the edges, and I'm just going across the whole screen here just to make sure it gets nice adhesion, and if there's any air bubbles to get rid of them. But it's looking pretty good here, and in a second we'll see that there's no air bubbles left after you remove them. As you can see, very nicely aligned around the cutouts, nice straight edge, no edges where they haven't stuck down, and it is bubble free installation. This is one of the best screen protectors you can get for your iPhone. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to get post notifications. Drop a comment down below in this video if you've got any questions. Share, subscribe and like, and we'll see you guys in the next tech video.